Hello everyone, I am Professor Shruti Dikshit, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Department, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. This college is under Siege Group. Today we are going to discuss about the introductory part of the subject, microprocessor and its applications. In RGPV curriculum, the code of this subject is EC501. This is the 5th semester subject. Course objectives: to understand the basic architecture of 16-bit and 32-bit microprocessors. In this subject, we will learn about the 16-bit 8086 microprocessor, and we will take the introductory part of different 32-bit microprocessors to understand interfacing of 16-bit microprocessors with memory as well as peripheral chips involving system design. In this subject, the main course objective is to do the assembly language programming, the 8086 programming using assembly language, to understand the different techniques for faster execution of instructions and improve speed of operation and performance of microprocessors, to understand the reduced instruction set computers as well as complex instruction set computer based microprocessor. These are the 5 important course objective of the subject microprocessor and its application subject. Specifically in this subject, we will discuss the 8086, which is 16-bit microprocessor, and we will take the introductory part of microcontroller, which is 8051. These are the course outcomes of the subject. Demonstrate the architecture of 8086 microprocessor, memory organization, clock generator 8284, buffers and latches, 8288 bus controller, maximum and minimum modes. Perform assembly language programming of 8086 and demonstrate the knowledge of coprocessors 8087, input output processor 8089, bus arbitration and control, lightly and tightly coupled systems. The third course outcome is to identify the different peripheral devices and their interfacing with memory interfacing, programmable input output ports 8255, programmable internal timer 8253, keyboard and display controller 8279, CRT controller 8275, programmable communication interface 8251 UART. Fourth outcome is to understand and check the functioning of interrupts of 8086 and programmable interrupt controller 8259, along with direct memory access controller 8257. And last course outcome is introduction of microcontrollers 8051 and embedded systems. So these are the 5 main course outcomes based on the syllabus of microprocessor and its application subject. At the end of this course, students should be able to learn. These are the learning outcomes: understand the basic terminology of computers, basics of microprocessors, basics of microcontrollers, basics of embedded system, and basics of computer architectures. This is the syllabus of microprocessor and its applications. In the first unit, 8086 microprocessor, introduction of 8086 microprocessor, its architecture, its pin diagram, minimum and maximum mode, operating modes of 8086, minimum and maximum mode, its timing diagrams, read cycle, write cycle. In the second unit, assembly language programming is there. Addressing modes and instruction sets, programming part will be covered in the second unit. In the third unit, introduction to various interfacing chips like 8155, 8255, interfacing keyboards, LEDs, uh, analog to digital converters, digital to analog converters, and memory interfacing. In unit 4, general purpose programmable peripheral devices, 8253, 8254, programmable internal timer, 8259, a programmable interrupt controller, and 8257, DMA controller, USART, serial input output and data communication. And in the last unit, introduction to microcontrollers and embedded systems. 8051 architecture, its pin diagram, input output configuration, interrupt addressing modes, instruction set, embedded systems, difference between microcontrollers and embedded systems, uses of microcontrollers in embedded system. This is the whole syllabus of the subject. The reference books are mentioned here. Advanced Microprocessor and Peripheral by A.K. Ray and Burchandi. Microprocessor and Interfacing, D.V. Hall, the Intel Microprocessor. These books are recommended by RGPV University. So first of all, we will start with the computer. What is computer? A computer is basically the first computer is Harvard model based, Harvard model and von Neumann model. First is von Neumann model, and then Harvard model was invented. The computer consists of input devices, output devices, memory, and CPU. Basically, a computer is a programmable machine. The two principal characteristics of the computer are it responds to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner, and it can execute a pre-recorded list of instructions, a program. Modern computers are electronic and digital. The actual machinery, wires, transistors, and circuits is called hardware, and the instructions and data are called software. This is the computer as we know very well: speaker, system unit, screen, monitor, speaker, microphone, mouse, keyboard. Here the definition of microprocessor. Microprocessor is basically CPU, and which is the very important part of a computer. As I have told you, the computer consists of an input device, output device, memory, and CPU. And CPU is our processor, which is known as microprocessor. And here we will talking about the 8086 Intel 8086 microprocessor. This is the IC 8086 diagram is shown in the figure. The microprocessor is a programmable device that takes in numbers and performs different operations, arithmetic as well as logical operations, according to the program stored in memory, and then produces other numbers as a result. So this is the basic definition of microprocessor. And as we know, we are calling microprocessor is the heart of the computer. The word, it comes from the combination of micro as well as processor. Processor means a device that processes instructions. In this context, processor means a device that processes numbers, specifically binary numbers, zeros and ones. To process means to manipulate. It is general term that describes all manipulations. Again, in this content, it means to perform certain operations on the number that depend on the microprocessor's design. means the values will be in the form of, the numbers will be in the form of zeros and ones, and different operations will be performed on that numbers, arithmetic as well as logical operations, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and or different operations. And micro means very small. In the late 1960s, processors were built using discrete elements. These devices performed the required operation but were too large and too slow. In the early 1970s, the microchip was invented, and all the components that made up a processor were now placed on a single silicon chip, and the size of that chip will be 1,000 times smaller, and the speed becomes several hundred times faster. Thus the microprocessor was born. This is the definition of the microprocessor. It is a programmable device that takes in numbers in the forms of zeros and ones, performs different arithmetic as well as logical operations according to the program stored in memory. And processor means manipulations, perform operations on the numbers, and micro means very small, but speed is very high. Different applications of microprocessor in the field of instrumentation, control, office automation and publication, communication, consumer. In every field, the microprocessor, we are using the use of microprocessor in toys, entertainment equipment, and home applications is making them more entertaining and full of features. The use of microprocessors is more widespread and popular. Now, the microprocessors are used in all home appliances as well as in our daily life. We are using microprocessors, calculators, counting systems, gaming machines, complex industrial controllers, traffic control, data acquisition systems, multi-user, multifunction environments, military applications, and communication systems. Means everywhere we are using these microprocessors. The first microprocessor invented was 4004. After that, 8085, 8008, then 8086. In our syllabus, we are discussing the 8086 microprocessor, 16-bit 8086 microprocessor. And in home applications, refrigeration, cooking, washing, motor control, audio, video, mobile accessories, remote control, everywhere we are using this microprocessor. So this is all about the introductory part. Means we have taken just brief overview of this subject, microprocessor and its application. First, we have discussed about the what are the course objectives of this subject, what are its course outcomes, its syllabus, its learning outcomes, as well as computer. The as I have told you, microprocessor, it is the heart of the computer. So computer is made up of input, output, memory, and CPU. So this microprocessor, what is the basic definition of microprocessor? It is the combination of two words, micro and processor. Micro means very small, and processor means performs operations. And we have discussed different applications of this subject, microprocessor. Thank you so much.